Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss about unit number 7, chemical kinetics. The last book bag question is a page number 231. Question number 27, 28, 29 and 30. The remaining book bag question, the 4 questions you have to discuss now. Question number 27. The activation energy of a reaction is 22.5 kilocalories mole inverse. The value of rate constant at 40 degrees Celsius is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 second inverse. Calculate the frequency factor A. That's the question. You have to calculate the frequency factor. So first we have to thorough what is the formula of this problem. We have to thorough the formula. Here we are using one formula. Log A is equal to log K plus EA divided by 2.303 RT. This formula we are using now. Before that, we have to know about which are the given. Here the given is EA. The value of EA is equal to 22.5 kilocal mole inverse. That is equal to, we are converting kilocal to calories, that is 22,500 cal mole inverse. About the temperature is given T is equal to 40 degrees Celsius. We have to convert it into Kelvin by adding 273. 40 plus 273 equal to, that is 313 Kelvin. And about the K is given as 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 second inverse. So these are the given values. We have to substitute in this formula. What is the formula here? Log A is equal to log K plus EA by 2.303 RT. So log A is equal to, I am substituting here, log A is equal to log K. What is the value of K? 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. You have to make it a bracket plus. Next, about the EA. EA, what is the EA given value? 22,500 divided by 2.303 into, all of you know about the R value. R value equal to 1.987 into, next about T, temperature, that is 313. T is equal to 313. Now, first I am multiplying this 2.303 into 1.987 into 313. This approximately equal to, this value is equal to 1.432 points. Sorry, not 1.1432.307093. Once again, 1.432.307093, about 22,500. So 22,500 divided by 1.432.307093. Next, here having log A is equal to log 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. This can be written as, I am taking the both side log, that is log 1.8 plus log 10 raised to minus 5 plus 22,500 divided by 1432.30 7093. Now I am dividing here 22,500 divided by 1.432.307093. You get the approximately value. I get the approximately value is equal to, that is 15.7089. 15.7089. Next I am going to write the next step. Log 1.8, this 5 I am taking here, minus of 5, log 10 plus 15.7089. Next, all of you know that on the log value, log 10 is equal to 1.0000. Am I right? 1.000. So next step I am going to write log 1.8 minus 5 into 1, that is log value log 10. Okay, log 10 is equal to 1. Am I right? 1.00. So I am writing 1 plus 15.7089 log 1.8 minus 5 plus 15.7089. Next, the next step, I am going to write, you have to take the log value. The log of 1.8, log of 1.8. Please all of you take the log book and find this value. Log 1.8, there is a characteristic is 0.2553. 2553. The character is 1 means 0. 0.2553. Okay. 2553 minus 5 plus 15.7089. So I am minusing 15.7089 minus 5 means I get the values 10.7089. 10.7089. So I am going to, next I am going to add this one. 0.2553 plus 10.7089. Okay. 0.2553 plus 10.7089. That is equal to 10.9642. 10.9642. Log A is equal to 10.9642. Next, I am going to take the anti-log. Okay, that is A is equal to anti-log 10.9642. Anti-log 10.9642. The anti-log means you must take that logarithm table book, the page number. I think that about the page number is 5. Okay, 4 and 5 we have the anti-logarithm. So you have to take 96, that is a page number 5. 96. 96 4 means 9204. And about the mean difference, also 2. The mean difference means 2 means they are also having 4. Just we are adding means 9208. Am I right? 9208. So having 10 digit, am I right? 10 point having, so I make it 0 like that. So I am writing here 9208 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now 10 digit over. Am I right? Here make it 10 like that. So this can be written as 9.2 208 into 10 raised to 10 collision second inverse. The answer is A is equal to 9.208 into 10 raised to 10 collision second inverse. The next one, please all of you take the next problem. Problem number 28. Benzene diazonium chloride in aqueous solution decomposes according to the equation C6H5N2Cl. That is the benzene diazonium formula gives chlorobenzene, that is C6H5Cl plus N2. Starting with an initial concentration of 10 gram liter raised to minus 1, the volume of N2 gas obtained at 50 degrees Celsius at different intervals of time was be found to be as under one of the tabular column. That is for T minutes, that is 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, 30 minutes, and also infinity. The volume of N2, that is for 6 minutes, 19.3 ml, 12 minutes, 32.6 ml, for 18 minutes, 41.3 ml, and 24 minutes, 46.5 ml, and 30 minutes, 50.4 ml, and infinity 58.3 ml. Here you have to show the above reaction follows the first order kinetics. What is the value of the rate constant? This is one of the very important question. Before that, we have to learn thoroughly about the formula. Already I discussed about this formula. For the first order reaction formula, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log A naught by A. A naught by A. This can be written as K is equal to 2.303 by T log V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. Here the V infinity means 58.3 ml. Don't forget that. This is a final. V infinity is equal to 58.3 ml. That is we have to discuss in the tabular form. That's a final. V infinity is equal to 58.3 ml. Next we have to make it on tabular column. We have to make it on tabular column. First T minutes, V infinity minus Vt. First one T minutes, second Vt, second, third one V infinity minus Vt. Then K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log V infinity minus V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. We have to substitute here all. So the time minutes, first 6 minutes, second next one, second again 6 minutes, that is 12 minutes. Next again 6 minutes, that is 12 plus 6, 18 minutes. Then again 18 plus 6, that is 24 minutes. Volume of the N2 is at Vt, that is given that one, 19.3 for 6 minutes, 32.6 for 12 minutes, 41.3 for 18 minutes, 46.5 for 24 minutes, 30 minutes means that is 50.4, that is ml. Okay, 50. So I am writing only for 24 minutes, up to 24 minutes. That's I'm leaving that one. So the 24th means 46.5 minutes. That only I'm taking. Next, V infinity minus Vt. Next column, V infinity minus Vt. We know the V infinity value, that is about the 58.3. 58.3, Vt value is 19.3. Just I am writing 58.3 minus 19.3, that is equal to approximately equal to, that is 39.0. Second step, second for 12 minutes, the infinity value is 58.3 minus t value, that is Vt value is 32.6, that is equal to approximately 25.7. For 18 minutes, 58 point, that is V infinity, V 58.3 minus, for 18 minutes the value is 41.3. 58.3 minus 41.3, that is equal to 17.0. Next, the last one, that is 24 minutes. The infinity value, that is 58.3 minus Vt value. What is about the Vt value? 46.5. Just we are subtracting, we get 11.8. So next we have to find that one. We know the formula. What is the formula here? K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log V infinity by Vt minus Vt. V infinity minus Vt. Am I right? So just we are substituting here. For the 6 minutes I am going to substitute here. K is equal to, I am writing here, K is equal to 2.303 divided by 6. That is a time, 6 minutes. Okay. Log 58.3 divided by 39. So you have to take log of 58.3 and log of 39. The log of 58.3 is equal to 1.7651. 1.7651, because the characteristics value is 58 means 2-digit number, so you have to write 1.58 versus in the log book 58 versus 3, we get 7657. And about the log of 39, log of 39 is equal to 39 2-digit, so I am taking one character is 1.39. Log of 39 is equal to 5911. So 1.5911. Just I am, this is a division, so I am going to subtract here. So I get the values 0.1746. 0.1746. And again, if you are dividing 2.303 divided by 6, 2.303 divided by 6, we get the value 0.38838. Am I right? 3838, 0.3838. Just I am multiplying the both the two values, that is 0.3838 into 0.1746. We get the value is 0.0670 minute inverse. This is for 6 minutes. Next I am going to take the 12 minutes. Same like that, we have to do all 12 minutes. K is equal to 2.303 divided by 12 log infinity, that is 58.3 divided by Vt value, that is about 25.5, not Vt value, V infinity minus Vt, that is equal to 25.7. So just we have to divide 2.303 by 12. 2.303 divided by 12, I get the approximately value is 0.1919. 0.1919. So next I am going to take the log value, log of 58.3. Please take the log book, 58.3. 58.3 log is already we done that one. 1.7657. 1.7657 log 25.7, that is 1.4099. 1.4099. Just I am subtracting, I get the value 0. That is 1.7657. 1.7657 minus 1.4099, that is equal to 0.3558. 3558. Now I am going to multiplying 0.1919 into 0.3558 is equal to, the approximately value is equal to 0.06827. That I am going to write 0.0683 minute inverse. Next one, for the 18 minutes, I am going to write the K value. Just VT, all of you know that on VT, that is 41.3. And about the V infinity minus VT is equal to, that is 58.3 minus 41.3, that is equal to 17. Now I am going to find the K value. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T. So I am writing here K is equal to 2.303 divided by T. T is equal to 18 minutes. 2.303 divided by 18 log 58.3 divided by 17. Log 58.3 divided by 17. That is equal to, when I am multiplying 2.303 divided by 18, 2.303 divided by 18, I get the value is 0.1279. 1279. And I am taking the log of 58.3, already we done that one, that is 1.7657 minus log 17. Log 17 value, that's equal to 2 digit, so I am taking 1.2304. Just I am subtracting, I get the value 1.7657 minus 1.2304, that is equal to 0.5353. 0.5353. Just I am multiplying 0.1279 into 0.5353. Just I am multiplying here 0.1279 into 0.5353. I get the value. That is approximately, I get the values 0.06846. That is equal to 0.0685 minutes inverse. Next, the last one, 24 minutes. That is VT is equal to 46.5. V infinity minus VT is equal to 58.3 minus 46.5. That is approximately, I get the values 11.8. So I am going to write the K is equal to 2.303 divided by 24. 2.303 divided by 24 log of V infinity value 58.3 divided by 11.8. First I am going to divide 2.303 divided by 24. 2.303 divided by 24, that is approximately, I get the value is 0.0959. 0.0959. Next I am going to take the log of 58.3. Log of 58.3 already we done, we know that one, that is 1.7657 log of 11.8. Log of 11.8, 2 digit value. We get 1.0712 log 11.8, 1.0712. Just I am subtracting these two values, that is 1.7657 minus 1.0712, we get the value 0.6945. 0.6945. Just I am going to multiplying here. That is the two values 0.0959, 0.0959 into 0.6945, 0.6945. I get the approximately value 0.066025. Just I am taking 4 digit only, so I am getting the answer is 0.0666 minute inverse. Next, I would like that the mean value. What are the mean value here means? Just I am adding this 4 value. What are the 4 value here? 0. First value is 0. Just I am going to write 0.0670. That is the first value. Once again, the 4 values I am going to taking here. Just I am going to add the 4 values I am adding. Next, I am divide by 4. That is the mean value. First value is 0.0670 plus 0.0683. That's second value. Third value 0.0685. Fourth value 0.0666. Just I am adding, I get the value 0.2104. 0.2704. I get the value. Just I am going to dividing by 4. 0.2704 divided by 4. I get the value is approximately equal to 0.0676. This value is a K value. So this value of K comes to be nearly constant. The given reaction is the first order. This the mean value K is equal to 0.0676 minute inverse. The next question. Question number 29. From the following data, show the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide is a reaction of the first order. T minutes. First you make it the tabular column, that is a T minutes, 0, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Volume V, that is 0 minutes is 46.1, 10 minutes 29.8, 20 minutes 19.3. Where the time is, where T is the time in minutes and V is the volume of the standard potassium permanganate solution required for titrating the same volume of the reaction mixture. So this also the given same like the formula. Just we are using the formula K. We have to find the first order formula. We all of you know that K is equal to 2.303 log A0, A0 divided by A. Just I am changing here. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log V0 divided by Vt. Here the V0 value can be written as V0 is equal to 46.1 ml. Just I am here also I make it on tabular column. One of the tabular column. First I am going to write T minute. Second one Vt. Third one formula, I am going to write the formula K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log V0 divided by Vt. So time here I am going to write 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Vt value 10 minutes, the value is given as a question. that is about the 28.8 ml, and about the 20 minutes is about that also given 19.3. So directly we are going to write here, the formula is given, you have to substitute this value here. So for the 10 minutes you have to write the k value is equal to 2.303 divided by 10 log. What is the V naught value? V naught value is the 0 minutes value. For the time 0 minutes value, what is about that? 46.1 divided by, for the 10 minutes time, that 10 minutes time is about 29.8. Okay, so k is equal to 2.303 divided by 10 log 46.1 divided by 29.8. Before that you have to divide 2.303 divided by 10, we get the value 0.2303 into, next we have to take the log value of 46.1, the log of 46.1, 2-digit value, so make it 1 here, 1 point, log 46.1, that is 6637. Next log 29.8, that is 1.4623, just I am subtracting this here, I get the value 1.6637 minus 1.4623, I get the value is, subtracting is 0.2014. Next I am going to multiplying here 0.2303 into 0.2303 into 0.2014. Just I am multiplying, I get one value, the value is 0.0463842, that is equal to 0.0464 minute inverse. For the next one, for the 20 minutes, same like we have to calculate for the 20 minutes. 20 minutes T and Vt is equal to 19.3. So the formula k is equal to 2.303 divided by T value is 20. K is equal to 2.303 divided by 20 log 46.1 divided by 19.3. Okay. Before we have to divide is 2.303 divided by 20. 2.303 divided by 20. We get the value 0.1151. Just we are dividing 2.303 divided by 20. We get the value 0.1151. Next we are going to take the log of 46.1. Log of 46.1, that is equal to 1.6638. Next log of 20. Log of 19.3, not 20, log of 19.3, that is equal to 1.2855. 1.2855. Just I am going to subtract here 1.6638 minus 1.2855. I get the value is 0.3783. Now I am going to multiply here 0.1151 into 0.3783. I get the value 0.0435 minute inverse. So the both the two values are nearly constant. Hence it is the reaction for the first order reaction, nearly constant. Okay. Next, question number 30. Next one, question number 30. The first order reaction is 40% complete in 50 minutes. Calculate the value of the rate constant. In what time will be the reaction be 80% complete? That's the question. The same formula we are applying here. First order reaction, all of you know that one. The same formula. That's equal to K is equal to 2.303 divided by K divided by T log A naught divided by A. A naught divided by A. Just we are assuming A naught is equal to 100%. T is equal to 50 minutes. Time is equal to 50 minutes. Therefore, A is equal to 100 minus 40. The given is 40%. 40 that is equal to 60. Next I am applying the formula. K is equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. So that is equal to 2.303 divided by 50 log A naught means 100. A means 60. Just I am first you have to multiply, divide here. 2.303 divided by 50. I get an approximate value that is equal to 0.04606. That is equal to 0.0461. That is equal to 0.0461. Log 100, we know that one. Log 3-digit value. 3-digit value is make it 2 point. Log 10, 10 versus 0. Log 10, take the log book. Log 10 versus 0. That is equal to 0.000. So 2.0000. Okay. Log 60. Log of 60. That is 60 means 1.7781. 7781. Just I am subtracting, I get the value 0.2219. 0.2219. Now I am going to multiply here 0.0461 into 0.2219. I get the value that is equal to 0.0102 minute inverse. So what's the value here? K value. K value is equal. What's the K value? K is equal to 0.0102 minutes inverse. Next we have to find what is T. First step K is over. Next we have to, as per the question, we have to find the T value. Time. T is equal to question mark. So when the reaction is 80% completed, next A is equal to 100. A is equal to 100 minus 80. That is equal to 20%. The previous we get the K value. What is about the K value? K value is equal to 0.0102 minute inverse. So T is equal to, I am changing here formula. What is the formula here? T is equal to 2.303 divided by K. T is equal to 2.303 divided by K log 100 divided by 20. So what's the value of T? Just I am multiplying here. Sorry, divide here. 2.303 divided by 0.0102. 0.0102. Just I am dividing, I get the value that is equal to 225.78. 2225.78 log 100 divided by 20. Log 100 value, the 3-digit number, so make it 2 here. 2 point log 10 versus 0 means 0. That is 0.0000 divided by log 20, 2-digit value, so make it 1. Log 20 is 3010. 3010. Just I am subtracting, I get the value 0.6990. What is the value here? 0.6990. Next I am going to multiplying the above value, that is 5.78 into 0.6990. I am multiplying. We get the t value. T values become 157.82 minute. What's the value here? 157.82 minutes. The time at which the reaction would be 80% complete is 157.82 minutes. Okay. These are some book bag problem. Dear children, please, all of you learn this question thoroughly. Very, very important question. Please take this problem in the classwork note. You must write in the classwork note. And about the today assignment, I am giving the today assignment is question number 27 and also question number 29. Okay. Sorry, not question number 27, 28 and 29. Okay, make it clear. Question number 28 and 29, the question you have to write the assignment. Please learn and write this assignment. Okay. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.